Good morning, everyone in YouTube land, all my friends, family, video subscribers, all the gang on Restless Witch. This is John Michael. Today is February the 6th, 2015. It is a Friday. We're coming to you in my unfinished kitchen. It's getting there. I don't want to show you guys the whole room because I've got things sitting everywhere. Backsplash is almost through. You can see our beautiful quarry stone finished countertops. And our beautiful cognac colored cabinetry. Got my dishwasher put in. Actually, Steven installed the dishwasher. My beautiful granite sink that's full of dishes. But anyways, guys, you get the point. I've been up early this morning. I woke up before sunrise. And I actually wanted to go out to the cemetery here that's out on what we call 10th Street Extension. It's the Holy Rosary Catholic Cemetery. And I had some spell work that really needed to be done in the cemetery this morning, but I'm a little under the weather, and it's like 20-something degrees outside, so I figured I'd better not chance it this morning. So I have this little setup going on. I got up. Of course, we've got the element representation here, guys. We have the earth with the pentacle. I don't think you can see it because it's so dark. The air, we have the abalone shell with herbs in it. We have the cauldron for the fire, and we have the chalice for water. So, guys, I always try to incorporate the elements into my workings. So, but basically this morning what I have got is a freezer jar spell. And I know that most of you guys know how to work these and that you've seen a lot of different people on YouTube do videos on these. This is my actual first freezer spell that I have done. I always usually I get Marie Laveau with it. I put that cracker bitch in the ground. I usually bury things. But I thought that I would try this because, I like the idea of freezing somebody in their tracks. Especially when this person it's not just their life they're affecting. A lot of the times you have people in your family, in your workplace, whatever. And they're out of control. They're doing shit that is affecting your life. It's a domino effect. Sometimes we have in-laws that are meddling and doing things that is affecting our lives. This is the perfect way to stop them in their tracks. Okay? And basically, you just get the little freezer jars. This is one that's made by... I'm not sure who this is made by, guys. The lighting in here is real horrible. Like I said, it's right before sunrise. And my kitchen is very dark because it's not completed yet. But basic recipe would be your calamus root and your licorice root. And these are for dominating people in situations. You can add some things in there if you want to do like numerical associations. You can add alum to the water, which like seals and gives them problems with their sexual nature and their sexual, desires and all. Like if they're man whoring or if they're running around town trying to conceive babies and shit with 17 different women and they're trying, like Maury Povich be doing, this would be a real good one to use on those types of people like that. You can also use vinegar. Vinegar sours their words. You can use hot foot powder. There's many different ways that you can employ this spell to freeze someone in their tracks. Basically, what I do is I take the parchment, actually the brown paper bag, and a pair of scissors. And as I'm using this and cutting the paper, I do counterclockwise and think about, dominating and controlling the situation or cutting out whatever that I won't cut out. You see what I'm saying? But then, basically you just do your parchment with the name. I start and go in a complete circle all the way around the person's name, and I write in cursive to seal them inside my spell. You see what I'm saying? Excuse me, guys. I'm under the weather. So, that's pretty much what we've got going on here this morning. And I've already, got everything finished and everything. This is what the mixture will look like when you boil it. A lot of people go ahead and put the herbs in there. I did not because I already had shit overflowing in this jar anyway. And speaking of, that's exactly what that looks like. Look at this water. It's just, ugh. So, anyway, we're going to pop this bastard into the fridge for a little while, or the freezer for a while. And right like that. I seal and bind your plate. I seal and bind you into place. I seal and bind you into place. That's pretty much how we do it, ladies and gentlemen. So that's my quick little video on my freezer spell. And I'm going to get off of here and I'm going to try to nurse this cup of coffee I got over here at the table. And hopefully I'll post a reading here shortly. Okay, guys. Good luck. Blessings.